Today we're going to be expanding a minus b squared. Okay, so let's just jump straight in. So the first step is to expand a minus b everything squared to become a minus b times a minus b. This is an easy concept that you should grasp early on if you want to get better in algebra. So let's take it also. If you don't understand this, let's take an example. So 12 minus 4, everything squared, is equal to 12 minus 4 times 12 minus 4. This might seem a bit intimidating, but it's really just 8 squared is equal to 8 times 8. So what do we do next? From a minus b times a minus b, let's just do this into manageable, easy steps so we don't have to do it in our head like a lot. So let's just put it to a times a minus b first. So a times a is equal to a squared. A times negative b is negative b. You should be able to do this, you should be able to know that the outside thing multiplied by each of the inside things. You should learn this by now, so it's okay if you haven't, but you might just want to click on another video and just learn more in this part. So if we add those, we get a times a minus b is equal to a squared minus ab. Let's just throw that for now. I'm gonna let you pause the video and write that down. Or you can just go on if you can sort it in your head and just trust me. So have you written that down, or you're just fine with leaving it? Okay. So the next step, let's do negative b times a minus b. So again, we're going to do the same thing, the outside thing minus the inside things. So negative b times a is negative ab. Negative b times negative b is b squared. Like negative thing times negative thing is positive thing. That means that negative b times a minus b is negative ab plus b squared. So if we add those together, we get that a minus b, everything squared, is a squared minus ab, the thing that I've written down on a piece of paper, or you can just trust me on that, okay? Minus ab plus b squared, the thing we just calculated. Okay, so if you know this, we have ab's and ab's on the same thing. So wait, ab's and ab's on the same thing. So we can just simplify that to a minus b, everything squared, is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And there you have it. It's the formula. It's very useful, and hope you learned something new today. So this is the ending. You can skip off if you don't want to hear this, but it would just really support the channel if you do. You may have noticed that I've deleted some videos and I have been uploading a bit less recently. I've been deleting the videos because I want to start a new, fresher channel. As my channel progresses, maybe I will release the URLs and maybe even you could watch them. But for now, the cubing videos will just stay off. I'm also thinking of removing the chess videos, so just like to put that in. I've also been uploading lesser videos because I want to put higher quality videos, and I'm just really busy with my school now. I'm hoping to steady on a 1 or 2 videos per week basis, and yeah. So if you'd like to support the channel, you can either subscribe, like, or best of all, do both. I hope I'm not asking too much. So yeah, thanks for watching the video and staying till the end.